I know!
Oh my god, I did it! Oh my god, I got him!
I won, Maxis!
And we're doing split screen!
Alright, you guys out here, this is weird. I bought an original Xbox, and I've always wanted to know if that strange audio thing is there.
Is it Max?
Not completely.
Go all the way.
That's what she said. Listen very closely. Listen very closely, everybody. You have to come close, I heard. I didn't think this was real. I thought it was fake, but the volume has to be so loud. And this is creepy. My camera's saying the batteries were low when I just charged them. Listen. Put you guys by the speaker. People are saying that this is Apollo 11.
Doesn't sound like English.
But it's distorted. What the hell is that, you guys? That's some weird. I'm gonna play this in reverse maybe and see if it's like this is the astronaut of this. I'm like, damn. I thought we'd have to be waiting for like 5 minutes to hear anything. Seems like it loops the same 3 or 4 audios over and over again. Because there's a really loud one, then there's a real muffled one that's like, and wait for that really loud muffled one. Damn. So, watch what this sounds like on normal volume. That was max. This is normal volume. You can't hear it at normal volume. You would never know. So, if you have an original Xbox, put your TV volume in max and you will hear weird, supposed Apollo 11 astronaut radio chat. So yeah, I think I am gonna film. I'm gonna hook this up to my capture card and I'm gonna film this at max volume. So unfortunately, ladies and gentlemen, after 45 minutes of trying, you can see here that I did get this to appear on my capture card as seen here, because when I close that off you can see my computer, but there's no sound. Here's the setup for things that aren't HDMI. There's these cords. I've literally swapped them around 30, 40 times. I literally spent the past very long time, and unfortunately I cannot get it to work. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to hook it back up, max the volume, That's creepy. That right there. One last thing, because me and Darren were trying to figure this out yesterday. What goes in this for the original remote, for the original Xbox? What was this for? Because I can't remember what it was for. That's about it. Yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed that. I will play most of them in reverse to add the creepiness to it. Sorry I couldn't record any capture card footage of it. Again, as you see, I have to use these, and these were just giving me black and white and no sound. So thanks for watching. That's bad. Toasting them. Listen.
Adios!
Mother